Hey, my name's Marissa, and let's draw a Pupsicle together. It's gonna be a puppy dog and a popsicle. The first step we're gonna take is to draw a big, giant curve, just like this. There we go. Once you have that big curve, make sure both ends are kind of the same length. Once you've done that, we're going to make sure that we close it off with a curve. And I'm gonna make sure all my edges are closed. Now we're gonna draw the stick part of our popsicle or Pupsicle by drawing a big curve, just like that. It looks like a U. Now let's draw two ears. One ear is gonna go down and around like that. Then once you've gone around, you're gonna come back in and then close it off. We're going to do the other side the same way. Make a curve and down. And then once you have that curve, come back up and into the Popsicle. Now we're going to make two eyes. One's going to go here, and then the other's going to go on the other side. They're just two big circles. And then you can color it in if you want to. You can make a circle in it for a little eyeball. It's up to you. I'm just gonna color mine in black. So let's do the other side the same way. And there we go. Now let's do the nose. The nose is gonna go right in the middle, and it's a big curve around, just like that, a big oval. Then once you have that, we're going to make two bigger curves. There's one, and then there's two, and they kind of meet in the middle, just like that. And then for the nose, again, you can just make sure it's all filled in black. There we go. Now let's draw a little tongue sticking out. My tongue's going to have a curve that goes around. Perfect. Now let's color it in. Here's our Popsicle. I hope you enjoyed drawing with me. If you did, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for brand new drawings. I will see you next time. Bye.